Is it dark to you? Is it like beyond clarity? Is it super grainy? Why aren't you looking into a Hero 12? Where the DJI is the best camera in the world. Maybe you are, but I'm sticking with the DJI Osmo Action 4. It's showtime! Hey, I'm Fish. I gotta head on out. I gotta look for something special at Lowe's. And I forget what it was online and the proper name for it in the gardening section. Section! Did I say session? I gotta get some gas. I gotta add some air. I gotta do some reviews. I gotta check my mail. I gotta do this. Nobody cares what you do with that. I placed the order. I got the parts in and 3.3 Armor Italian tires for the BXL, and they're 4.5 inches. Way too small for that vehicle when they gotta be 5.5, a little bit bigger. And yeah, they were looking like my Traxxas Rustler VXL tires, and they were like 1 inches. Now let me tell you, back they go to get the right ones. Do I want to get belts for them, or do I want to get the original stocks, which are totally difficult to find? Gas, $3.75 when it was $3.99 the other day, and it went down to $3.89. So I am saving some money. I didn't want a bike ride because I was afraid it'd be too wet, and I definitely don't want a scooter ride because it'd be too slippery. Well, I'm here. Try to go find a spot now. Christmas is already here. Might as well just put out Easter. Let's see what's left over for Halloween. I want to decorate. That's it. Not that many things. Snow blowers, put them away. There's no snow. Now I came here not just to look for the Garden Safe wash soap. That was $9.98. For another $3-4, I got myself a 2-pack of the same stuff. So Black Friday is like right around the corner. What am I gonna get? Always gotta buy something on Black Friday. Could it be a GoPro Hero 12? Could it be Insta360 One X3 when people are talking about an X4? Could it be an Insta360 One RS2? I'll talk myself out of it. I don't want the extra workflow. And if everybody's pushing videos of that camera and they're showing this and that, some people think that's wrong. Well, I'm gonna just go place my Black Friday order for pellets, and that's the way I can put it in my plants and not suffer anymore because you don't have any in stock.